Ready, Sky? What are we doing? What's going on? You're in the rain, girl. It's raining. Raining. What do you think about that? Say it's raining. Raining.
How do you feel about it, Skylar? Yeah,
It's raining.
it's kind of weird because it hits the top of your face and like your eyes and stuff. And you gotta squint to get through it.
And you're all wet just like Sissy Boo. You're wet, girl. Your head, those arms, that stomach, those legs.
How do you feel, Skylar?
Hey, we're about to get ready to bring Erilyn out in the rain for the very first time. What is that? Is that rain? Where's it coming from? It's raining. It's raining, Mama. It's raining. She's like, what's going on? Does it feel like bath time almost? Does it feel like bath time, girl? Actually, a very shocking interaction. Like, she made her nervous at first, but she's okay.
Yeah.
Is that rain, girl? Is that rain?
I bet she really thinks it's like bath time.
Yeah, that's probably what she's thinking. Oh, you're wet. You're wet, girl. That hair is wet. Those arms, that face, that stomach, those legs. You're all wet. Did you enjoy the rain? Tell us your thoughts. What do you think? What do you think, girl? You're not sure what to think, huh?